Ripple XRP lawyers explain. SEC lost long time ago because of this. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. In the litigation between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, both sides took an important step towards the decision of Judge Annalisa Torres. According to a tweet by defense attorney and former federal prosecutor James K. Phelan, both Ripple and the SEC filed summary judgment briefs yesterday morning. Initially, the two parties to the dispute had to submit their aforementioned papers by November 30th. On December 2nd, Ripple and the SEC were supposed to meet to jointly discuss the amendments. Finally, on December 22nd, collective petitions were to be filed to seal all documents related to petitions for a simplified trial. However, as Phelan tweeted, the schedule is likely to shift. This assumes that the edited responses will be submitted around this Friday, December 2nd, Phelan said. The lawyer explained that this assumption is based on the facts that the edited petitions for simplified judicial proceedings should have been submitted on September 19th, but filed on September 17th, and the edited objections should have been submitted on October 24th, but filed on October 21st. In recent days, there have been suggestions that December 5th, and now, possibly, December 2nd, could be a significant date for the likelihood of settlement of disputes between Ripple and the SEC. The focus is on Hinman's documents, which can be a strong trump card for Ripple. In order to keep these documents secret and prevent a broader impact on the overall regulation of the cryptocurrency market, the SEC may agree to a settlement. In this regard, what is edited or not edited can be crucial in summaries. If Hinman's documents are not made public by Ripple as evidence, it will be a convincing sign that the company has an advantage. However, a member of the XRP community, lawyer Fred Rispoli, does not believe that it will end so soon. According to him, it is unlikely that the SEC will agree to release Hinman's emails without a court order. And this decision will come into force only after retaliatory measures are taken on January 9th, Rispoli said. He doesn't expect it to happen before the end of January. David Schwartz, chief technology officer of the blockchain company Ripple, believes that Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren may be right when it comes to regulating cryptocurrencies. It's not an awful position to work with. At least it agrees that regulations need to change and that it is important to get crypto regulation right. In a recent article published by the Wall Street Journal, Warren argues that cryptocurrency could eventually destroy the economy if there is not proper oversight. Although the senator acknowledges that cryptocurrencies can potentially make the financial system more inclusive, she also points to the fact that history is littered with all sorts of fraudulent financial schemes that were advertised by criminals and charlatans. Warren argues that the heads of crypto projects that violate the law are no different from other financial instruments, so the Ministry of Justice should use all its strength. Warren also dealt a blow to companies engaged in the mining of cryptocurrencies, which load the energy system and increase greenhouse gas emissions. She stressed that the cryptocurrency should be subject to the same rules as other financial sectors. On Twitter, Schwartz wrote that this is not a terrible position to work in. It's not a terrible position to work in. At the very least, she agrees that the rules need to change and that it is important to ensure proper regulation of cryptocurrencies. Warren has long been one of the leading crypto skeptics of Congress. In a September interview, the progressive MP called the cryptocurrency unreliable, destructive, and dangerous. In early April, Warren compared buying Bitcoin to buying air. Will we finally see the documents for William Hinman's speech in 2018, for which the SEC has been fighting for a long time so that they would not end up with Ripple and become public? The documents were transferred to Ripple, but remain classified to the public. Lawyer Phelan believes that the judge will declassify any document, including Hinman's documents, only depending on whether she relied on him when making her decisions. Hinman declared Bitcoin and Ethereum not securities. Although he did not talk about XRP during the speech, Ripple believes that the agency discussed XRP during the preparation of the speech. Notably, the SEC and Ripple have officially filed sealed briefs with responses to the brief judgment, and many expect the parties to refer to Hinman's documents in their responses, but that may not be the case. James K. Phelan shared his opinion on the disclosure of Hinman's documents and the opportunity to see how the parties refer to excerpts from the documents in their respective response summaries. I have some thoughts about deadlines regarding Hinman's documents, motions for summary judgment and unresolved issues of secrecy. Instead of typing a long topic, I wrote them in an attached document. 3 big issues remain unresolved. Petitions for a simplified decision. Expert challenges, Daubert petitions. Problems with the classification of expert reports, Hinman documents and other materials referred to by the SEC and Ripple. Phelan said he doesn't think the summary judgment response summaries will refer to excerpts from Hinman's documents. According to the lawyer acting for Ripple, if the defendants refer to the drafts of Hinman's speech in 2018, the SEC will edit such links with reference to parts of Hinman's documents. I don't think we'll see references to Hinman's papers in the following responses. To the extent that Hinman's documents are mentioned, I think the SEC will edit these links as they have done in the past, he said. In addition, Phelan also commented on the classification of other undisclosed documents, including expert opinions and materials referred to by the parties in their petitions. The lawyer said that he also does not think that U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres will rule on all outstanding issues of classification soon after the parties file an objection to the joint requests for classification on January 9, 2023. The presiding judge in Ripple v. SEC lawsuit will not approach the rest of the case using this approach. According to Phelan, Judge Torres will declassify any document, including Hinman's document, only depending on whether she relied on him when deciding on petitions for summary trial. If a judge relies on a document in his decision, this document is automatically considered a judicial document, and then it will be disclosed, Phelan said. He also expressed his opinion on how Judge Torres can make his decision and declassify the documents in the case. The lawyer acting for Ripple noted that Judge Torres would work in the opposite direction, first drawing up a summary judgment and indicating any documents she relied on, including classified and redacted ones. However, other documents that Judge Torres did not rely on in her decision in a simplified manner will be discussed on whether the documents should remain classified, Phelan added. According to Phelan, Judge Torres had previously used this approach in the Goldman Sachs case, in which there were also closed disputes and challenging petitions for a summary judgment. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.